morning, guys.
Yeah, fine.
Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We're starting our day by going into the Phoenix Mall, and after that, maybe we're going for some gameplay, guys. So stay tuned and let's have our Sunday. Our first stop is here. That is night. Let's see, guys, why having the experience of two games. This will be my third game, and I hope I will win this time. With me is the competitor, and there is one more. Hey DJ boy, what happened? This time I think I will be on the second position. I have to use it. User is sitting here. He's behaving like a kid, guys. Now you want to go there. Guys, we are done with the gaming, and this is how the weekend is going on, guys. So guys, our second stop is this here. They have this 9-day cinema. I'm going to take a walk on the building, I think so, through here, and you can see whatever I will do on this TV. So Mr. Mayank is going to drive this.
बढ़िया एकदम कूद जा नीचे कूद जा भाग स्पीड से चला
Guys, we came to have our lunch in mainland China. This is my first time. Let's taste this food. So guys, we had a very fantastic lunch and my friend is about to sleep, I think so. So guys, we had a lot of fun in this day and I think this is time to say bye bye. We'll see you in the next week. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, see you and do whatever you want to do guys.